So this is a question from chapter 2. See, if alpha and beta are the zeros of the quadratic polynomial, then this is the polynomial given. Then find a quadratic polynomial. That means we have to get a new quadratic polynomial whose zeros are 2 alpha minus 1 and 2 beta minus 1. So what we do is that we first start with what is given. So this is a given polynomial. So right, let px equal like this. Then from here a will be here, which is 1, b is minus 5, c is 6, we write. Then this alpha and beta are the zeros of this polynomial, so we write let alpha and beta be the zeros of our px, which is this. Then here we do alpha plus beta, which is nothing but sum of zeros. So minus b by a formula, minus is there, b value, a1 value, solve it, you will get 5. Alpha beta, which is product of 0, c by a, then c value you can see from here 6 and a value is 1, so 6 by 1 is 6. Now we'll write the zeros of new quadratic polynomial, which is 2 alpha minus 1 and 2 beta. This also there in the question, 2 beta minus 1. So for this again we do sum of zeros. Sum of zeros means these two will do plus zeros. So 2 alpha minus 1 plus 2 beta minus 1, which means 2 alpha 2 beta you write together, minus 1 will become minus 2. Here in the first two term we take 2 common, then alpha beta in the bracket, minus 2 as it is. Then in place of alpha beta we replace from here, which is 5. So it will be 2 5s are 10, minus 2, then 10 minus 2, which is 8. Then this is again nothing but sum of zeros, so its formula is minus b by a, which is 8. 8 I can write 8 by 1. So from here a is equal to 1 and b is equal to minus 8. So we got a and b value, but still we'll continue, yet not done. So now we'll do product of zeros, so which is the multiplication of the zeros which is given for the new polynomial. So 2 alpha minus 1 multiply 2 beta minus 1. Now we turn by turn multiply 2 alpha into 2 beta, which will be 4 alpha beta. 2 alpha into 1, it will be minus 2 alpha, minus 1 into 2 beta, the minus 2 beta, last minus minus plus 1 1s are 1. Again 4, and then now alpha beta. So alpha beta value is already calculated here, which is 6. So we'll replace 6 there. So it will be 6. In these two term we'll take 2 common, so minus 2 common, then alpha will be as it is. Since minus is common, sign will change, plus beta, and the last plus 1 as it is. Now 4 6 are 24. Alpha plus beta we have used the value before also, which is 5. So you'll put it 5, then plus 1. So 24 plus 1, 25. 2 5s are 10, minus 10, which is again 15. Then this is nothing but product of 0. So formula is c by a. 15 means 15 by 1. From here a is 1, c is 15. So now we got a, b, c, all the values. So we write therefore the new quadratic polynomial is equal to, this is the standard form of quadratic polynomial, a x squared plus bx plus c. Use the value of a, which is 1, b value we have calculated from here, which is minus 8, and c value is from here, which is 15. Then you simplify, you will get this answer.